Hello, everyone. This is Beyond Dale here with a market update. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been getting a lot of emails asking about what is happening in the gold market. So, what I'm going to do today is analyze gold and see and give you an indication where I think the metal is heading over the next couple of weeks. Okay, what we have in front of us here is a daily chart of gold. This is the cash gold. And what we have seen since essentially 2012, the market topped out. The market topped out here at 1800 and started to decline. Now, one of the things I advocate in my Price Point Observer publication, and I constantly tell investors, is that when you're looking to invest, when you're looking to put your money into an instrument, you have to see what the smart money is doing. And the smart money has been selling gold over the last year to year and a half. And that's evidenced by the chart. Gold prices have been going down because large funds, large institutions have been selling gold. So I know a lot of retail traders, retail investors had have held on to gold while the metal has really put in a almost a 50% decline, and that is not how to invest properly. What you have to do is follow markets that are going up, and you put your money in the markets that are going up. So what I am seeing now is that we have a renewed or the market is pushing down once again. So we had a slight recovery earlier this year, and I remember a lot of publications stating that gold was now at a bottom and was ready to rally up to $2,000 or even $3,000. Um, but what happened was that the market stalled out at just below 1400 and is currently in a new wave to the downside. And what I'm looking for is to see if the market punches below this 1200 level. And if the market does go below 1200, we could see 1150 or 1100 in short order. Now, will gold end up going back up? The answer is undoubtedly yes, but when exactly it will go up, no one can tell exactly right now. So, just to summarize, the market is in a downtrend, and if you are involved in gold now, a good way to do it is the gold ETF that that trades inverse gold. So essentially, when gold goes down, that ETF goes upwards. Okay, just to take another look at silver. The silver price looks similar to gold, and silver is also in a downtrend, but silver is actually performing worse than gold as it's near its low that that occurred in June 2013. So what we're looking for is to see if the market holds above this $18 level. If the market does go below $18, we could see $15 in very short order in the silver market. So currently, just to summarize, the trend in silver is currently down. It's currently down and it's not in rally mode just yet. When it when the market turns bullish, it will be fairly obvious and I will send another market update. But for now, the market is in a downtrend. Just to take a quick look at S&P 500, this is an example of a market that's in an uptrend. And as we can see, we're in a pretty strong uptrend ever since 2009 essentially. So instead of having all your assets in gold, it would have been better for you to put some money in the stock market via the SPY, which is an ETF, the S&P 500 ETF. Okay, so this was just a quick market update. I hope you enjoyed it. And when gold does turn around, if it turns around this year, I will send out another update. But for now, as I said, the market is in a downtrend. The stock market here, when uh, folks are another question I'm getting is when will this market top out? Well, I'm not seeing any signs that the market is topping out just yet. So for now, the trend remains up. And what we investors and traders do is not try and call the top of the market. When the market is showing signs of topping out, I will send a market update to indicate such. But for now, the market trend is up. So if you are along the stock market, I will continue to hold those long positions. Okay, this is Beyond. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a good investing week.